What's up, guys? So I've been working with these Android TV boxes for a while now. It's almost 5 years in working with these boxes, and I realized that there is a problem with most of this that you might find usually if you buy the cheap ones. So what you see is that when you're using them, they might stop connecting to the internet totally. It's when you search for available Wi-Fi networks, you won't see anything. So let's talk about the solutions now. So the first solution is that if your device is still on warranty, go back to where you bought that device and get a new one, or top up and get a better one, because usually the cheap ones are the ones that will give you most of these problems. All right, and then do not attempt to solve that, because you see that the cost that you meet when you're trying to fix the Wi-Fi problem will actually be more than the cost of buying a new one actually. So what you can do is that you can get an Ethernet cable. If you see here at the back of your TV box, there's an Ethernet port. So you can just get an Ethernet cable. You connect this Ethernet cable to your router, and then you connect straight that Ethernet cable onto your TV box, and your TV box should be working fine. So it means that you'll be using the cable for the internet, not the Wi-Fi itself. So that is how you can easily solve that problem of not connecting to the internet. So if you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up, and if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Bye for now, and see you on our next video.